Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the sound not working in John Carpenter's Toxic Commando on PC. Follow these solutions step by step until your audio starts working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Then click on Sound. In this window, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Simply select your audio device and click Set Default. Then click Apply and OK. Solution 2. In the same sound window, right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure your volume is not set to the lowest level and that it is not muted. After adjusting the volume, click Apply and then OK. Solution 3. Open the Advanced tab. Set the default format to 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz. You can also uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set Spatial Sound to Off, then click Apply and OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest driver. Solution 6. If the previous step didn't work, go back to Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver and click Next. Wait for the driver to install. After the installation is finished, restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest GPU driver. Solution 8. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the NVIDIA app. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once the installation is complete, launch the game again. After following these solutions, the sound should now work in John Carpenter's Toxic Commando on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.